We're cutting straight to the chase. Here are the deals for Cyber Monday. We got 10% off Archons, 15% off Methods, and 5% off Anthem wheels. 10% off Black Label lighting, 25% off Spike lug nuts, 25% off ceramic coating on your new wheels, 15% off all Bora spacers and adapters. We got a whole bunch of shine and it's all 20% off. Plus, we'll throw in a free microfiber and a wash mitt. And every wheel and tire purchase over $1,500 gets a free hoodie. 10% off Pro Ride leveling kits and 10% off Halo lift kits. We've got up to 20% off on Super lift kits, plus for the first time ever, up to 10% off of the King coilover upgrades. We got up to 10% off on Rough Country kits, plus 5% off Ready lift kits, and every lift kit over $500 gets a free hoodie. We've got 25% off all of our gear, which means you can get 25% off on this hoodie, or this shirt, or this hoodie. And it looks like we got about, what do you say, probably 50% off the beard. And if that's not enough for you, how about free? Come out to CustomOffsets.com/giveaway, grab the shirt, you're gonna get automatically entered to win a free Rough Country lift kit. Those are the deals, they end tonight. It's Cyber Monday.